was I gonna say? Hey everybody, Tommy here with your next fridge ving. Other box.
Just kidding. It's me, Officer Tommy, the fridge cop. Ready to get out of here? Whoa. Oh. Rule number 1. Try to keep as few items in the fridge as possible. See this? This number of items in the fridge is ideal. Keep track of all of your items in the fridge. Every Friday at around 4:30 p.m. I will come in here and check it out. And you can keep, a few bottles of Mountain Dew or a large tub of hummus or whatever kind of foliage you enjoy in there. But you gotta have your initials and that Friday's date on it. Otherwise, it's gonna get given to Mr. Bill or it's going in the trash. What do we got in here? Oh my God.
Let's kick it!
Rule number 3, ice, ice, baby. We finally have a freezer section, and there's a little ice tray in there. So, if you go take some ice out and it's looking a little low, fill it up. Remember VHS tapes? Yeah, me neither, but there used to be a saying, please be kind, rewind. The same rules apply for the freezer. Whatever you have in there, even though it probably won't fit, has to have your initials and that Friday's date on it. Otherwise, it's going to get thrown out.
We got our signal free in the fridge downstairs. All units respond.
Metzinger, I'm on it. Oh, is that my cue?
Yeah, that's your cue.
Then what do I say? Damn it. Damn it. Keep track of all your items in the fridge. Damn it. That doesn't taste like shit. Oh my God, I'm gonna end it. It's got like the fridge smell of just like Chinese food and Arab food on it. Oh my God, I'm gonna throw up.